Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm the title like Dr. Joshi Rimane. Mit a link, of course, not the matter the iTunes. Very, obviously, also Mr. Post has to be linked also. So, not Lamal, of course, because of course, at the 11th December, Dr. Joshi Rimane, of course, if you guys posted this post, guys, so what on a phone name and a better, I mean, I like 40 degrees Celsius. Hey, I could have waited, man. Yeah, so if you one, of course, if I tell you, album yina many hits for my fans. You kuna Bambara, kuna Mahuzeni, kuna Thulamsava, kuna Sese, Mafumisana. You go TikTok and on the ground it's happening. Now I understand why the iTunes saga. Thank you guys. The focus is back on the ground. And then of course if you post a video call on King S edits call on of course I want to what member to kulukumba swinene like a channel lexi of course yi nga fika yi kombisa swona kwala. So Dr. Joshi Rimane of course in other words i swo ku yi zama ku kombisa ku va yi losing le ka iTunes le timhaka to you look karhateni on TikTok and also on the ground. In other words, so you divert from the makaleta and the iTunes you is ka the ground. So maybe you know karhata on the ground. Maybe I don't know. On the ground, but the main issue with the ground is like I must cancel because unless if to alampela because in a issue at times it depends on where you are. It depends. So maybe on the ground like it's complicated. The ground is complicated. So the first Dr. Joshi Rimane, I don't really fully agree with it. I don't fully agree with it. And moreover, he should not be justifying losing on iTunes with TikTok and trending at TikTok because the TikTok trends it's also complicated because video the original song artist so it's complicated. When Dr. Joshi Rimane ka iTunes man. Yes, of course. Insurance can mention the Magadaka iTunes. Hita key vlola you not debate level because still go not debate kamakali at iTunes li. As you can see, it's 1952 until 11th December. So look if I zoom if I come on refresh. Just to make sure on very refresh okay top albums a little na yo makaleo no ya ta swinene combat top albums on top there. Yeah, it's fine. So if I check out Dr. Joshi Rimane of course he number 9. Okay, I saw in one position I was going to post first before he vula very. Let's scroll down. He's below. Where is it? Oh, hello, like number 176 as you can see. So Shula Master 2 years. It means for now Dr. Joshi Rimane you show you look shabero no more streams than also Mr. Post on iTunes. However, there's a problem le reason ko very master team ka ringo mga tino maybe swilo swa swilwa ka swo mhaka le ni reason very ka video le shongole of course lo ka phora GNU. What I've explained the main issue with iTunes aba kombi the views. Yes, the positions are the one but aba kombi the views. So shuva an issue because we don't really know the views thing. Yes, Mr. Post angaba number 176 we can see, but also one at Samanka on position number 1 for 3 days and 4 hours. So what if Mr. Post could make a receive more views? You have the issues here, and what if Shua Tani one of Dr. Joshi Rimane number 9 as we can see and then the item number 2. So what if now you shua you receive more views and in overall you come more views. You see where we are going. So magali iTunes later yeah though you passionate the matter share mara for now also you go very we ben manganisha proposition akufika kumsa kumunifika reach number 1 Mr. Post a reach number 1 so we can so we are anga win based on the positions you should share ku ya ti-position so swi ngomesa suppose hi ya a nga wina loko se hi nga langutisa swa ti-views hi yena a nga wina in general so mara still ka ha na element yaleyo ti-views a hi ti voni so mr suppose vhele vhele ka ti-views a nga va a ri ku wineni hi ku i tshame nkarhi wo leha ka number 1 but still we cannot see it ma yona mhaka leyi ni kombela hi discussa mhaka leyi ku mi yi vonisa ku yini guys ni kombela hi discussa swinene because a ni yi kombise na example mi nga ma hleketa ni ku what if sweswi munhu u fika tshama ka number 1 maybe let's say maybe for a day lowun'wana mi kuma ku i fika tshama ka number 2 but lowa ka number 1 yes a tshama kwala even then se a ya a nyamalala even then lowun'wana a ri ka number 2 a tshama nkarhi wo leha laha you see there are no views we cannot see the views ma yi vona mhaka leyi so for now yes hosi ngome suppose hi yena a nga wini mara ni kombe hi tlhe hi discussa mhaka leyi and leswi endlaku hi ze hi fika laha sweswiwani ni vona swi kha swi trenda strong va ku he hosi ngome suppose le hansi ngopfu i ku mhaka leyi a hi adiressanga master team so guys loko ni ndla swilo swo karhi ni tekele enhlokweni because I know what I'm doing so ni kombela hi discussa mhaka leyi ku mi yi vonisa ku but so far okay hi cheka we can see ku hosi ngome dyi le ku beni le ka YouTube so yeah I guess it can be justified ku hi yena a nga ku wineni ni le ka ti-iTunes hambi ti-views hi nga ri ku ti voneni ku vhele hi fikini le ka number 1 I guess so mara at times mi kuma swilo swi nga balance because hi voneni project ya DJ Gift of course yi fika yi khoma number 1 on iTunes mara loko se hi cheka YouTube na Spotify yi fika yi boha strong so hey mhaka ya ku ya ha tika but on YouTube na ku dyi le ku beni swinene so hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to Hosi Ngome Mr Post his top track sweswi yi na ti-views ti nga ni na 60,000 as you can see munhu un'we ntsena yona number 1 ya kona kwalani as you can see yi landzeriwa dibeni i Maputo Maputo ya rhandziwa I'm shocked ku yi be munhu un'we ntsena so number 1 i Maputo ivi yi landzeriwa hi munhu un'we ntsena ivi then yi landzeriwa hi vinyi va timbirhi as you can see kwalano ya hi swona na nhlawulo yi le ku tirheni at 44,000 yeah and then a hi vona Dr Josh Mani ku yona yi tshamise ku yini just to see his views a ri yi le ku boheni na laha hi ta ku kombiseni ka swona ku in overall yi le ku boheni okay hi cheka laha yi va yi ri ku namulweni bambara na yona leyi I feel like bambara a yi ta yi tirhe ngopfu ka this album yes koko yi ta tlhe yi combine vhele ku a yi humeni already but if a yi huma na sweswi a yi ta yi tirheni swinene as you can see so number 1 yi tlhela misava ka Dr Josh Mani ku nga 43 as you can see yi landzeriwa hi yini laha ti-views ta ku ti le hansi yi landzeriwa hi vanhu loyi le n'wana even then ku landzeriwa yini kwala 22 ya ku landzela 22 i 22 se mafumisana as you can see kwala so hi leswi nga tshamisa swilo sweswi kwalaho so debate ya iTunes ka ha to tika ku ze as master ten vhete loko ka swa ti-songs a ni na ku ti nghenela because swi ta hlupha mina hi ku tinsimu ta nghena tinyamalala a hi ti won the-views mina ni vhete ka ti-songs ni nge ti nghenelerisi ni ta hela ku hala ka ti-albums but still I can see ku still ka ha na ti-issues ka ha na ti-issues again hosi ngopfu i winile ka number 1 mara se yes u agree i le hansi ngopfu but a tshame nkarhi wo leha ka number 1 so sweswo a swi vuli ku i streameliwe ngopfu na hey I wish the artist a ti humesela tinambara ta ka iTunes a swi ta kota ku swi tlhe swi solve even more because ka ha to tika debate leti ha to continue and mina as master T swi tlhe swi vuya ka mina hikuva vanhu va ta texta mina ku master T i swi voni ku endleka hina i rini swo a hi vulavuleni hi leswo loko ri hamza subscribe rhandza kombela mi tlika subscribe
hey Kasongo we labo Kasongo labo Kasongo we Kasongo